Hello, and welcome. Today, we're stepping inside a fascinating world, the factory, where small plastic toys come to life. Prepare to be amazed as we journey through the process. From colorful granules to the finished products that bring joy to children everywhere. We'll explore every stage, from the initial materials to the final, completed toy. Uncovering the secrets behind these everyday objects. Our adventure begins with a glimpse of the raw materials. Vibrant plastic granules. These tiny beads are the building blocks of our toys. You'll see them in a rainbow of colors, each destined to become a different part of a toy car, a ball, or perhaps even a miniature soldier. These granules come in a variety of plastics, each chosen for its specific properties. Some are flexible, others are rigid, and all are carefully selected to ensure the toy's durability and safety. The color is mixed in during the manufacturing process, resulting in the vibrant hues we see in the finished products. Next, we move to the heart of the operation, the injection molding machines. These are the workhorses of the factory, responsible for transforming the granules into solid shapes. A mold, essentially a detailed metal cast, is clamped shut. Then, the plastic granules are heated and melted until they become a liquid. This liquid plastic is then injected into the mold under immense pressure. The pressure ensures the plastic fills every intricate detail of the mold. The plastic fills every nook and cranny of the mold, taking on its intricate shape. Once the plastic cools and hardens, the mold opens, revealing the newly formed toy component. You'll witness how quickly and efficiently these machines operate, churning out parts at a remarkable pace. The speed of the process is crucial for mass production, allowing the factory to produce thousands of toys every day. The machines themselves are marvels of engineering, precisely controlled and constantly monitored to maintain quality and efficiency. Now, let's take a closer look at the molds themselves. These are incredibly detailed, precision-engineered tools. They determine the shape, size, and even the texture of the finished toy. Different molds are used for different parts of a toy, the body of a car, the wheels, the windows, and so on. The complexity of these molds is truly impressive. Skilled engineers design these molds, often using computer-aided design, CAD software to create intricate and detailed models. The molds are then manufactured using specialized machinery, ensuring the highest level of precision. As the toy components come out of the molds, they might undergo further processes. Sometimes, they need to be trimmed, cleaned, or even painted. You'll see how skilled workers carefully assemble the different parts, creating the final product. Quality control is also a critical step, with inspectors checking each toy for defects or imperfections before it's packaged and shipped. This ensures that every toy meets the highest standards of quality and safety. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the finished toys. Whether it's a brightly colored ball ready for playtime, a sleek toy car ready to race, or a brave little soldier ready for adventure, the satisfaction of seeing these toys come to life is undeniable. From colorful granules to finished products, the process is a marvel of modern manufacturing. Join us as we explore the factory floor and witness the magic of plastic toy manufacturing. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this fascinating journey.